What happened while you were cooking?
The doorbell rang, and I answered it.
Who was it?
It was just Bill from across the street.
Look at your face. It is all black. What happened?
I was cooking.
What happened while you were cooking?
I forgot to lower the flame and everything got burnt.
What are you going to do now?
Well, now I will have to order a pizza.
What a smell! What's going on here?
I was cooking for all of us.
And what happened while you were cooking?
I spilled soup over the flame. That is why it smells here.
What happened while you were cooking?
I started watching TV and forgot about the food.
Was the food okay?
It depends if you like eating charcoal.
What happened while you were cooking?
I spilled the milk on the floor.
You better clean it up.
Yes.
What happened while you were cooking?
My mom called.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, we had a nice talk.
And the food?
It turned out well.
Sorry about the mess.
What happened while you were cooking?
I forgot about the food and it got burnt.
I guess I'll have to show you how to cook.
What happened while you were cooking?
I left the cake in the oven for too long and everything got burnt.
So what will we do about Jenny's birthday?
Don't worry, I'll go out and buy a cake.
What happened while you were at school?
We took a test today.
How was it?
I got an A.
Wow, that's great. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
What happened while you were cooking?
Becky came over and helped me.
That was nice of her.
It sure was.
Sorry, I made a mess.
What happened while you were cooking?
I spilled the soup.
Clean it up and I'll order a pizza.
I will tell you a story.
That will be very interesting to hear.
Once, my friend and I went fishing together. We fished all day, and we caught several fish. Then it became dark in the evening, and we started to cook dinner.
What happened while you were cooking?
A bear smelled our cooking and came over to the place we were cooking and ate all the food that we prepared.
Are you telling me the truth?